Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today, we're going to explore the word cavort in depth. First, the definition. Cavort means to jump or dance around excitedly or playfully. Think of it simply as joyful, energetic movement like kids playing. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Cavort first appeared in English in the early 1600s, meaning to prance or caper about playfully. Over time, it's been used by English speakers describing lively, happy actions. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So, how do you use cavort in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. The children cavort happily in the park after school. Correct example 2. The puppies cavort around the yard, chasing each other excitedly. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to cavort my coffee, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using cavort correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Cavort means to jump or dance around excitedly or playfully. It comes from early 1600s English, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with cavort down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.